Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and computer. This is the only reliable path. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging, then install the volume style app you plan to use. Once done, connect the phone to your computer via USB and confirm the connection on the phone. Make sure ADB is installed on the computer and accessible in the command line. These steps let the app make system-level changes that ordinary permissions won't allow, so do them carefully and accept prompts when they appear. You'll now use ADB to grant the app the rights it needs. First, type a DB devices to verify the phone is seen. If it shows unauthorized, check the phone and accept the debugging prompt. Next, run the exact a DB shell command the app requires, typically a permission grant or settings right command. After the command returns OK, open the app and enable the custom volume style. The app should now display system-level controls. This step is crucial because without ADB, the OS blocks those changes. You finish by customizing the volume style and testing it across apps and calls. Make adjustments to appearance and behavior within the app and verify each change applies immediately. If a change doesn't take, revoke the permission and rerun the ADB command. Sometimes a permission glitch blocks updates. Also, restart the phone to ensure the system UI loads the new configuration. If problems persist, double-check ADB output for errors, and make sure no other accessibility or overlay apps conflict with the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.